Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix audio speed on WhatsApp. So let's get started right away. Within the WhatsApp Messenger application, there is a feature that you can use to speed up audio voice message playback. But if you forget to turn this off, then all of your voice messages will play back in the same speed that you set. Whenever you are talking with someone, you can send voice messages by simply tapping on the microphone icon at the bottom right corner. When you send a message, you can tap on the play button to hear it back. This is also applicable to voice messages that you receive. Now, when you play back, you can see the speed indicator at the left side of the play button. If you tap on it, you will be able to change the playback speed. If all of your audios are playing at this speed, then just tap on it once again until you see 1x. Now, if you set it to 1x, this means that all of your audio voice messages will start playing back at the original speed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix your audio speed on WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.